What if the secret to wellness wasn't in the bottle, but growing all around you, right beneath your feet? Imagine a life where wellness isn't a goal, but a natural way of being, where healing comes from nature and balance is part of your daily rhythm. Hi, I'm Ilka and I'm so glad you're here. I created the space to share my love for natural healing, foraging, plant-based living and everyday herbal remedies to help you return to a simpler and healthier way of life. With my background in integrative nutrition and natural health, my goal is to support your well-being in a way that nourishes not just your body, but also your mind and your soul. Because I believe that true wellness is more than what's on our plate and the food that we eat. It's about self-care, mindfulness, and living intentionally. I'm passionate about sharing the power of simple, everyday herbs. You know, the ones we walk past that grow in our backyards, and we easily dismiss them as weeds without realizing their incredible remedies and benefits. Healing plants are right at your fingertips, ready to be used in teas, tinctures, and remedies that naturally support our health. On this channel, I'll take you along as I forage seasonally, create herbal remedies, and make nourishing plant-based foods. We'll also explore self-care practices that nurture both body and mind. So if you're ready to support your health naturally, want to reconnect with nature, and live more mindfully, click subscribe and join me on this journey.